Welcome to my channel The Bull Shop, and today I will give you a strategy that how to read chart patterns. First of all, if there is any beginner who wants to start investing in share market, if he is having almost 1 lakh rupees to invest, then I would say please don't invest 1 lakh altogether. So you need to select a proper stock and first learn the strategy for 2-3 months and then invest in that particular stock and full amount of money. So I will give you tips on how to read the chart patterns, but first I would tell you there are two things. We select the good stock. Now we need to check the financial statement of that stock. So we can check either in ticker tape or we can check in money control. So I will tell you first, like I have opened ticker tape and there is a stock named IRFC. We can check here key metrics like PE ratio. PE ratio is 8.65 of this stock only. And what is the sector? PE is 28.44. So who are the stocks in this sector? Is Indian Railway and RVNL and others, right? So PE ratio of this stock is quite good. From this we can say it's good to invest in this stock. And apart from this metrics, we need to check other data of this particular stock. So financial data of this stock. Here from the left hand side it is showing good time to consider as stock is not in the overbought zone and stock has been generating better return on equity than bank FD. So it's a good entry point. And apart from this, we can check the financial statement year on year basis. So you can see total revenue is increasing every year, and EBITDA margin you can see from last year it was 2900 and now it is 36, almost 3700. Company is very good, market cap is quite good of this company, and you can easily invest in this stock. Go to other moneycontrol.com. So here we can select any other stock like IGL. Technical analysis showing that they are very bullish on this stock. So we can see all the financial statements and all analysis here. The PB ratio, price to book ratio is 7. Where is the PE ratio? Market cap is 37,541 crore rupees. So market cap is quite good. It's a large cap company. Sector PE is 38. I'm not able to find the PE ratio of this stock. Let's check the PE ratio here. So PE ratio is 30. So it's not bad because some good stocks are having a PE ratio almost 70, 80, right? So 30 is even good to invest. So we can check other financial parameters from here. We can see chart also from this moneycontrol.com. You can see 3-year CAGR growth, revenue 19.7%. From here you can check the financial parameters. Revenue is increasing year on year basis, and net profit is also increasing year on year basis. Last year it was only 755 crore and now in 2020 it is 1094. So I am sure that in 2021 it will increase more. So you can check ROE also. See from last 5 years on average it is showing 20% return on equity. So this is quite good. The stocks with more than 15% return on equity are considered to be good. So this is quite good. Now we can go to chart pattern. I will show you how to read the chart pattern. So this is very good video to understand the chart patterns of all the stocks you can find in here. So you can log in dot trading view. You can sign up here with your email ID and all credentials. It will show like this. So you can add up your stocks here. You can make your all the watch list here, whether it is index or futures. You can find the stocks of all over the world in this tradingview.com. You can find Apple from Nasdaq. You can find it here. So like this, you can find all the stocks present in all over the world indexes. So and now I will show you how to read the chart patterns. There are different time frames for reading the chart patterns, and it depends on the investor. Is he a long-term investor, or he is a trader, or short-term investor, or doing swing trading or something like that? So my suggestion is for you and new beginners to invest for long term or do the swing trading. Don't do the intraday trading. It is very risky. It is for professionals. So please don't do intraday trading who just want to invest their money for as a side business or something like that. They should not do the intraday trading. I will show you how to read the chart patterns. Here I have opened the stock named IFL Securities. If I want to see the chart of IGL, just you don't have to do anything. Just on chart you press IGL and it will automatically pop up. And here you have to select the stock. If it is futures, you have to select which futures you want to check: June, July, August, and right. So let's go to the stock first. So from here you can shrink it or you can expand it, depends on you how do you want to view this in the chart, right? So here are the time frames present: 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour. So you can select. I have made it my favorites, that's why it's all in here. If I want to make one day as favorite as well, so it will all present here. So 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 3 hour, and daily chart. I would say who are the long term investor, they should see the 3 hour and daily chart. They should follow that, and you can put a lot of indicators over here that will give you the buy signal or sell signal, right? So from this FX you can add a lot of indicators over here, but in this tradingview.com, for the free account, you can only add 2 to 3 indicators. So that is enough for you to work on. So I will show you how to get the signal from here. I will show you first that what are the indicators I have put. I have put this channel breakout strategy. We can see in daily time frame as well, right? So here we are getting this channel breakout strategy. This is the indicator, and from this arrow is almost at 520. So now the stock is running at 536. So it is very good time to invest in this stock, and it will give you a very good return from here. Okay, so this is the channel breakout strategy that this stock is going to be burst out from here. And what are the other parameters to know? Here I have put the simple moving averages. I have put 3 type of simple moving averages here: 30 days, 50 days, and 100 days. So 30 days is pink, 50 days is green, and 100 days is orange. So from here you can see when this simple moving average 30 was above 50, everything was going good. This is 30 days, this is 50 days, and this is 100 days. And some of the stockists use the 200 moving average as well. So this one, the below line is the 200 day moving average. So here also we can get a very good indicator when this 30 days or 50 days moving average start crossing 100 days and 200 days moving average. We can buy these stocks because it's going to show us that in the coming future stock is going to be on high level. because it is doing crossover from it is giving crossover to 100 days and 200 days moving average, right? If we see here, this one is green one is 50 days moving average, so it has given crossover to 200 days moving average. We can get an indicator from here as well, right? So following this 200-day moving average currently, so from here we can see easily uh, 50 days moving average has given the crossover to 100 days moving average, and this 30 days moving average has given the crossover to 50 days and 200 days moving average. So it is a very good indicator for you. From here what was the value when it given the crossover? What was the value of the stock? It was approximately this chart, this candle. It was around 445, 445, 450, right? From here to this point, 450 to 560, you could easily make the returns from this stock, almost 100 points. So it is huge, isn't it? It is almost 20 to 25% move in this stock, right? So from these indicators you can easily make a good money. You have to follow this chart breaking strategy as well as this simple moving average crossover, right? So apart from this you can do one more indicator. I am adding one more indicator is RSI. When RSI is 30 level or something like that, then you can buy the stock because it is in oversold zone, right? You will buy the stock at 30, and it has the potential to go like 70, 80. So you can easily make a good amount of money. So you can follow RSI as well. But if you follow this chart breakout strategy as well as simple moving average crossovers, you will easily make the money. You don't want to use RSI, you can use it, but you can follow these two very important indicators which will give you a lot of good returns, right? Now we will see the chart of others. Okay, let's see the index chart, right? Bank Nifty. A lot of people would be using this Bank Nifty or something like that. They trade in this Bank Nifty. It's very risky actually. So Bank Nifty is a very volatile, and people usually don't invest it in long term. They just make a very quick profit, or they lose money very quickly from this index. So I would say you follow 30-minute or 1 hour chart frame in index. I have opened 1 hour chart frame. From here, from this point you got the crossover, and from this point you got the buy signal from the chart breakout strategy. So you could buy from here, and you could get the return from here to almost here or here. So how many points are there? 33,700, 35,600. It's almost 2,000 points. Wow. So whoever had invested from 21st May to 4th June, they would have been making a lot of money. I would say go for long term. Don't invest for quick profit or something like that. You will lose money within seconds. Okay, go for long term always. Apart from this channel breakout strategy and this simple moving average, I want to show you the trend line as well. Let's open the IGL graph again. Trend lines are very, very, very important, so you should know it. I am opting 1 hour graph or of IGL, or I can open the 3 hour graph of IGL as well. You have to connect all the low points from here. So you can see from where we got this chart breakout, you are joining all those points, right? So you have made this trend line. If I expand this chart, you can see here, every time this stock is coming here, it is, this trend line is working as a resistance for this stock, and from here you are getting, it is returning here. So if you invest from here, and you also got this channel breakout strategy from here, so if you invest on 510 and follow this trend line, it will go like this, and from here again it returned back and it will go up to this point, right? So from 509 to 533, 535, almost 25 point movement, and from here we got the channel breakouts strategy for selling. This is the selling signal. So stock always moves like this if it is following the trend line, right? So you have to be very cautious about this. If the stock has crossed this trend line and going down, then it means it's a sell signal for you, or your stop loss would be hit. Wait, because if you will wait, you may lose with that stock, right? So I have told you about trend line, I have told you about this indicators, two indicators which are very important is channel breakout strategy as well as this simple moving average crossover. From these two indicators you can make a lot of money, right? Apart from this, I have shown you how to read the chart patterns. I would tell you one more thing about a doji candle. With the doji candle you can see that the trend pattern is going to be reversed. We have 2 or 3 types of doji candles. See here, gravestone doji, long leg doji, and dragonfly doji. So gravestone doji is the candle. From here you can see, if the wick above the body is quite long, it means selling pressure from the above is very high. Are you getting me? This is the body and this is the wick. If the wick above the body is very long, it means selling pressure is very much in that stock. Okay, so trend is going to be reversed. If stock is going upward before this candle, then now the selling pressure has come. Now after this candle the stock will go down trend. Okay, one you will see long leg doji. So this candle indicates that seller and buyers on this stock are almost equal. This stock can go in any direction. So this is dragonfly doji. If the wick below the body, this is the body and this is the wick. If the wick below the body is quite long, it means your buyers are heavy in their stock. So this stock is going to be in uptrend. So I will show you in that chart. I will show you. This is one of the doji. This is the doji. I will circle it out. I will see this red candle is the doji candle. So from here the trend is going to be reversed and it is going to be upward. And before this candle it was going downward, and now here sellers and buyers are almost equal. It has given this candle after this doji candle, means it's going to be upward. Let's see another one, another doji, gravestone doji or something like that. Let me find another one. Most of them are long leg doji, so I'm not able to find that gravestone doji or dragonfly doji. This seems to be dragonfly. Let me show you. So this is the dragonfly doji. From here the buyers are more on this stock and this stock is going to be upwards. You can see there are a lot of upward movement in this stock from this 502 to this point 520, right? So you almost got 18 to 20 points movement in this stock. So like this you can read the chart patterns. I have shown you a lot of indicators, doji candles, as well as these trend lines. So hope you will follow these and make a lot of money. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and also press the like button. However, I have made this video quite a lot after a long time. I was busy with my personal stuff, sorry for that. So please follow this and make a lot of money. Wish you all the best.